Iron Mountain's been providing 100% renewable power to our data centers since 2017. And that enables our clients who are actually operating their equipment inside our facilities to recognize their consumption inside our building as renewable. We set an aggressive goal to power our facilities every hour of every day with renewable energy by the year 2040. The concept of 24/7 carbon-free energy is a focus on decarbonizing the grid by helping to ensure that there's adequate renewable generation providing every hour of every day. Buying renewable energy involves a number of stakeholders, especially when you do it at scale like a data center does. So we'll engage a number of partners, everything from our local utility to a retail delivery provider to a broker that might connect us with a renewable project developer.
I'm Eric Allen. I'm the CEO of RPD Energy, which is a company that occupies a unique space in the energy marketplace. We work with end users and their supply chain to create and craft renewable energy solutions for them that are simple, easy, affordable, and impactful. We started with Iron Mountain with a very small 1 megawatt transaction that's now grown to providing the renewable energy solutions for the majority of their physical energy load in markets where they have retail choice. And that's proceeded from a very simple initial transaction to one that slowly evolved into one of the first hourly load matching transactions in the industry. So for each hour of each day of each month of the year, Iron Mountain is able to track and see how closely their actual usage matched the actual generation that was input from the renewable projects into the grid. I think the transaction that we did with Iron Mountain around 24/7 load matching is incredibly important because it sends a message. It's a statement that the sustainability leaders are going to continue to push the envelope. It's a message to the providers like us. We have to get better. We have to get more flexible. We have to get more innovative. And I think we have the tools to be able to do that. And foundational transactions like this one will help a lot of us get there.
Iron Mountain is an example of one of the leaders that is pushing the agenda of the next evolution of sustainability commitments. This ultimately unlocks the capability to show all of their customers inside those data centers that it's not just about being 100% renewable, but it's about being around the clock 24/7 renewable and carbon-free if you're sitting there in an Iron Mountain data center. ClearTrace is an energy data and carbon accounting company with the mission to create more trust, transparency, and provability behind corporate claims connected to renewable energy use and decarbonization. And we believe that more data, more granular information will result in more corporate action by allowing companies to truly understand their real carbon impact. Iron Mountain, through ClearTrace, has given digital and data-driven attestation to their corporate claims. Iron Mountain will be able to say for each of the individual co-location clients that, hey, client X, you are not only renewable for leasing server space inside this data center, we can show you that you're actually 100% renewable from this wind farm at this hour with this carbon impact. That type of traceability down to the individual sub-meter or customer level is going to be an incredible, powerful tool for not only Iron Mountain, but for those customers that are trying to solve their own sustainability efforts simultaneously.